Welcome back to my channel, you guys. And oh my god, I spent so much money this Friday. So let's get into the video. You know why you came and you read that title, so let's go ahead and hop into the video. So I only went to about 4 stores. I went to Ulta, Walmart, Sephora, and Target. So I'm going to start with the first store that I went to, which is Ulta. I spent about $90 something in Ulta. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. I just usually spend a lot of money in there anyway, so this is nothing new to me. So the first thing when I got into Ulta, I grabbed this. I grabbed this Hot Tools Professional Black and Gold. I think it's blow dryer. 1-step blowout. It was also next to the Revlon 1-step blowout, but I got this one because it's the same price, but this is actually a lot higher. But I don't know. I've seen some reviews on the Revlon one, but I haven't really seen any on this one. So I kind of wanted to try this one on my hair. I want to see if it will work on my hair to blow dry it out, because honestly, I don't know how to blow dry my hair because I need both my hands. And this one just has one tool where I could just use one hand instead of two. So I picked this up. Hopefully it works in my hair type. I'm 4C, 4B. I'm a mixture. If you want to see the video of that, there will be a link down below. And also click the card for my other channel where I do hair and beauty. So I got this for that because I really want to try to blow out my hair without getting heat damage. And I also got 2 more items. I really got a lot of Kylie stuff, but it went to my cousin. I bought some of her items. So I got this highlight. It's the color of Diamond of Dreams. Knowing that I don't need any more highlighters, but you never go wrong with a highlighter, some say. So it's very gold. I kind of swatched it on my hand earlier, right here, because I like to play in makeup. I don't wear it often, but I will play in it. So also I got a pressed powder because I never really used a pressed powder. So I got the color Dark. She was having a good sale. I got this for $24, I believe. And I got the highlight for like $14, if I'm not mistaken. And I also got a free gift. They gave me this flatter right here, small right here. Am I going to use it? Most likely not. I will probably give this to my cousin because I don't really flatter on my hair because I'm scared of heat damage, but I will blow it out. Don't get me wrong, I will blow out my hair. So the next store that I went to was Walmart. I spent a lot of money at Walmart, you guys, but I do not have the items because I already put them up, and some of them were gifts, so I'm kind of not going to be showing that on camera. But the thing that I can show you is this Google Home. I got the Google Home and I got the Google Home kit. So the Google Home kit comes with this and a Comcast, but I only got one. So I got this Google Home for my living room. It's kind of like an Alexa. You tell it what to do. Blase, blase. It goes with my hue lights, which I have hue lights everywhere, even in my room right now. So yeah, I got this Google Home from Walmart and I got a bunch of other stuff. And then after Walmart, me and my sister went to Target. I got tons of clothes from Target, you guys. I spent about almost 200 in Target. I got so many clothes, but I'm not going to show you guys the clothes because I don't really like doing haul videos. Well, never mind. I really haven't even tried doing a haul video. But I don't think haul videos are my thing because I really don't even like buying clothes in general. But I got this Comcast, Google Comcast to go with that Google Home so I can cast things to my TV in the living room. So this, well, honestly, I only bought this because they wouldn't let me check out in the electronics section without buying electronics. So I just bought this. This was $25, and I mean, kind of goes hand in hand with that other Google stuff. So Why not? I might take it back. Who knows? I might keep it. So, I also got a toy for my baby cousin. So she can learn a little something. So I got her this. And I got my sister a gift. I got her these Samsung Galaxy Pods for her birthday. Her birthday is like in September, so I'm very late on that. But hey, you got your gifts, sis. And then I got myself this. I really don't know why I bought this. Yes, I did. I bought this for the primer. I need another primer, but I never really tried e.l.f. primer, so basically I just bought this for the primer, even though I could have just bought the primer by itself. But I don't really think like that when I'm shopping. I just be like, ooh, I need this, so I just grab it. Last but not least, I went to Sephora. So in Sephora, I basically just got like stuff for my face because I think I need a new face regimen because the one that I was doing isn't really doing anything for me personally. So I went and got this hydrating set, hydration drink tea. I never really used this brand ever, by the way, so this will be my first time. When I was looking at this, it says a lot of like sleep mask, sleep. So I'm guessing this is going to be my night routine that I'm going to use this for. And I also got the Tatcha Deep Cleanser. So I also got this. I think this is going to be like my everyday routine for my face. I'm not really sure. It's like a moisturizer. Sorry guys, I'm saying. It's like a moisturizer and a cleanser. So I got a deep cleanser and a Pore Perfection Hydrating Serum. So yeah, I'm going to use that. And then I got a free gift. I got this Beauty Insider Sephora More Face stuff. I'm not sure what it is. I probably will not use it. But it says Drunk Elephant. But I probably most likely will not be using this because I don't know what it is. And I used one of my points and got this Milk Hydrating Grip Primer Spray. It's a little spray thing. You spray it on your face before you do your makeup. But yeah, that is basically it for my haul. I spent about over $600. Wow. I spent too much. Let's put it like that. I spent way too much money, and I really did. I don't know if I got what I really wanted. Now looking back at it, I probably should have got me a camera. Oh well, maybe next year, maybe Cyber Monday I'll spend a whole nother check. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video.